It looks something like this.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. It's a fun video today because I got a new Louis Vuitton and I am opening it with you guys for the first time on camera. And I'm so excited, I just bought it tonight. Well, Matt just bought it for me tonight for Christmas. I'm gonna show you what's in the bag. Oh, and it's pretty. It's so pretty. I'm standing here talking to you guys, which is so unusual because I'm usually sitting to talk to you. And standing, I feel like I'm like a host on E! News or something. Like, shout out to Jason Kennedy. Anyways. Shall we do it? We shall. First of all, this is the paper bag that it came in. This must be the holiday edition bag, but isn't it pretty? It's like so 60s? I think that's 60s. Retro, and I love it. The bag is in here with its pretty bow, and it a little bit hurts my heart to remove the ribbon because it's just so pretty, but it's gotta be done. The highly coveted Louis Vuitton. What did we get? You already know what we got because you read the description. But the suspense is just funner to build this way. On the go bag. Oh, do you hear the angels singing? Because I do. Oh, it smells delicious. Okay. This is one side, and then you flip it, and this is the other side. So one side is the lighter tan. Classic brown. Here's the cool thing about this bag, because the majority of Louis that I have, every Louis that I have, only comes with one set of handles. Not this bag. There are hidden handles inside. That turns it into more of a shopper bag, you know, the longer tote. So this one is tan. This handle's tan to go with the dark side, and this one is dark to go with the tan side. So cool. Okay, but let's take a look inside. It has a red interior. It looks like Louis Vuitton's on the inside. Isn't that cool? But here's another feature that I really enjoy about this. Just like the Neverfull, or my favorite bag, which is the Graceful, it has the zipper pocket here for extra storage. But then this one has, can you see down in there? I don't know if you can. How can we get in there? Should I hold it like this? There we go. So it has the zipper pocket, just like the Graceful, which I love that feature so much. But then it also has two extra pouches here. And I don't have any other Louis Vuitton bags that have those added pouches. So this bag altogether, you can tell it's a newer design because I just feel like there's a couple of things that have been upgraded in that two sets of handles, which is amazing. It also has the clasp at the top, just like the Neverfull does. You can clasp it shut if you want to. And then the extra set of pouches, that is a totally new feature for me. I have the Neverfull, I have the Graceful, I have the Pochette Matisse, and I have the Speedy, and now I have the On The Go. And this one is kind of taking all of the features from the bags, the best features from all of the bags that I have, and combining it, which is amazing. The hardware, just the detail on this is amazing. So the little end pieces here are opposite to what this is. So the tan pieces go on the dark, and then the dark pieces go on the tan. So it's just contrasting, which I think is just a really beautiful detail. All in all, I think that this is just a really pretty bag, and I feel like it's so much prettier and maybe fancier than your typical Louis Vuitton bag, because, you know, we as women, we kind of gravitate towards the Neverfulls of the world because those are realistic. Those are the things that we can use for everyday life. We can use it for diaper bags. This is all of the space that the Neverfull has, but it's prettier. And also, this was part of, I can't remember the name of the collection. Was it the summer collection or cruise line collection? I can't remember which collection this is a part of, but it had two different colors, and one was black, and the logo was like a leopard print, and I wanted it so bad, but it is sold out literally everywhere. And then the other one was white with the leopard print. And here's a story about this, and this is a lesson for all of you guys. Matt made a call to Louis Vuitton Online's phone number to look for this bag. They checked their database, and there was not one in any store nationwide, period. They could not locate one. So they offered to order one, but there would be a minimum of a 2-week wait, which really, that's not bad at all for Louis Vuitton. But I said, get off the phone. Let's take a drive. And we went up to the Cleveland Louis Vuitton store. And I knew from last year that a lot of times they're just wrong. They're wrong. We get there and we walk in, and the very first thing as we walk in, we see one of these. I asked the girl, they have 3 of them. I really, really badly wanted this bag in particular. I didn't want just any Louis. I wanted this bag. And it retails for $24.80. But online, because it's so heavily searched for right now, everybody wants it. It's selling for, I was seeing it upwards of $3,500. People are buying it new and then selling it on places like Fashion File and whatnot.
Let's sell it.
Go back and buy another one, Lanter, and sell that one.
Profit.
Anyways, $24.80. So just know that there are, as of today, 2 more of these at the Cleveland location. If you want one, that way you don't spend an extra $1,000 to $1,200 to $1,500 online to buy one secondhand. It's so pretty. Welcome to the newest member of the GG family. No, but I'm really excited about this bag. I love it a lot. I'm actually very much now considering selling my Speedy because I just haven't worn it in so long. So I can make room for this guy. Thank you guys for watching my video. And make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. We just hit 200,000 subs. It's amazing. And visit me on my blog, angelalanter.com. All right, guys. Love you so much. Au revoir.